Alright, we're going to be installing new brake hardware and brake shoes. For the rear disc brakes. Got the shoes and hardware installed. The hub and bearing on. With the hub nut. All right, it's getting there. We got some power stop. Rotors. Drilled and cross drilled. Let's put these on. Here we go. We got the driver rear on. All right. Gotta put the brake calipers back on, and waiting for the offset rod to be able to make this thing a roller. Time to do the other side. All right, on the passenger side, we installed new parking shoes and hardware. All brand new. Time to put the rear disc on. All right, so we got to put the hub on. We got the hub, brand new bearing, extended studs. Got to put the rear nut hub nut on. We'll tighten it down. We'll torque it later. Snug tight. We're gonna have to torque it down. But we have the parking shoes hub on. Now to put on the rear disc brake. Slap that on there for now. Boom. Slides right on. Rear passenger side. Now we gotta put the brakes on. Brake calipers on. But that's a little update on the Neo. Alright, so we're gonna be installing the calipers on the rear of the Neo. Brand new calipers. We cleaned them up and then spray painted them with caliper paint. Painted them blue to match the stripes, RT stripes. They came out all right. Not as good as powder coating, but for our goals, these came out pretty good. They are remanufactured ones. Raybestos, FRC 5269. I think 68 is the other one. I'm not sure. But we'll be installing these Hawk Performance pads, HB176N.614. Alright, so we put the painted calipers, brand new remanufactured ones, rebuilt ones that we painted blue with Hawk pads. On both the rear. Hawk pads, drilled and slotted rotors. We have some brakes. Alright, so we got StopTech drilled and slotted rotors from Modern Performance. It's supposed to be the left side, so I'm guessing driver's side, since we're left-hand drive. There we go. We're also going to put on the passenger side, left side. Hey, look, we got some stickers. Yeah. Got some left side. Alright, it's time to put on the calipers with some Hawk pads. So let's go grab the Hawk pads. Alright, we'll be using some Hawk pads, HB177N.630 HP pluses. There's also a second part number on there. We're going to be installing these on the brand new calipers we have. Here we go, we got the calipers installed along with the Hawk HPS Plus pads with the drilled and slotted rotors. Alright, on both sides we have the calipers and brake pads installed. Little steps. Also have the rear done. All right.